Look, nobody's buying the stories anymore. That fashion industry is clean, sustainable, and ready to save the planet. The truth is brutal. It's one of the most wasteful, exploitative industries on Earth. Founders, investors, leaders, you know what's killing you right now? The endless noise of greenwashing and fake sustainability slapped on exactly the same toxic business models. Every time you think you've found the next big impact investment, it turns out to be just smoke and mirrors. It's exhausting. It feels impossible to cut through that. You're stuck between wanting to do good and watching your capital flow into more empty promises or worse, destroying the future. But here's the thing, no one's telling you, and it's about to change how you think about sustainable fashion as an investment. Don't chase the broad market. That's where the system will chew you up and spit you out. Instead, zoom in on the actual value creators, the real innovators building transparency from raw materials up, who are rewriting supply chains with tech nobody else understands yet. Forget fancy organic labels that nobody audits. Look for startups embedding blockchain where it's not a buzzword but a tool to prove every thread's origins. Dig into circular economy models that don't just recycle but eliminate waste before it even happens. If you want to play this game and win, not just financially, but with impact that sticks, focus ruthlessly on data-backed proof of reduction, on owning the story from seed to stitch, and on founders who live and breathe this mission every damn day. Stop throwing money at marketing-driven promises and start betting on operational brilliance that others overlook because it's hard to scale fast or flashy. Here's another brutal truth: you can't fix this alone. The ecosystems that pull real change together are invisible if you don't know where to look. Partnerships between textile engineers, impact funders, local communities, policymakers are the bedrock. Build your network there. Align with the few who push through resistance, those who are relentless about accountability, not popularity. If you don't plug into that web, your investment will stay a drop in a contaminated bucket. And don't fall for the trap thinking sustainable fashion is just trendy or nice to have. This is a full-on economic reset in how we consume stuff. When you back the right projects, you don't just get a return, you shape the next billion-dollar ecosystem. Think bigger than brands. Think infrastructure, think industrial transformation, raw material innovation, smarter manufacturing processes that dump pollution and abuses out of the equation. Those are the plays that'll explode in value because they tackle the stuff no flashy label dares to touch. Here's the no BS playbook. Identify founders who treat sustainability as a survival challenge, not a marketing angle. Demand proof that their footprint is shrinking on every level, that they own their supply chain and data end-to-end, and that they build solutions scalable enough to squeeze out the old system completely. Invest with a mindset of partnership, demanding transparency and results as if your reputation depends on it, because it does. Surround yourself with operators and experts who won't settle for hype, who challenge every claim with facts and data. Be merciless on sustainability metrics. This isn't for the faint-hearted or the casual. It's for those who see the chaos, feel the frustration, and are ready to stop being spectators. If you want to ride this wave right, lean hard into precision investments, deep due diligence, and real network building with creators who don't just want impact, they demand it. The sustainable fashion revolution isn't coming, it's here. Waiting inside the rubble of what's broken is your chance to build something worth everything. If you miss this, the system drags you back to the old models. If you get it, really get it, you don't just invest in fashion, you help build the new rules of capitalism where money flows to truth, not just stories. That's the future. Decide if you're ready to fight for it or stay stuck watching the same old mistakes repeat. No fluff, no shortcuts. Just the cold, hard, unstoppable reality of impact investing done right. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to learn more.